Hey guys, welcome back to landdhome and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be all about cleaning, and we are starting here in the beauty room because it's a little bit of a hot mess. I have some donations piled up, some things laying around, and this fan needs a definite good clean. So we're going to go ahead and jump right on in to today's cleaning video. Now, I am going to give you a little bit of a secret. I actually filmed this footage a while ago. Life has been so crazy busy with work and family things and all this stuff that I actually filmed this before Halloween and meant to get it up for you guys, and just kept running out of time in my day with everything going on in our life right now. These kind of like burr months are definitely the most busy in our lives. So I hope you don't mind that this footage is a little bit late. While it's not like a decorating video or anything, and it's just a cleaning video, you are going to notice in some of the clips, especially on the main level, that there are fall and Halloween decorations out. And that's not what our house looks like right now when I'm doing this voiceover, but it is what our house looked like before Halloween, because we were all decorated for fall and Halloween that season because we love it. So, just pretend that those decorations and everything are not there. But all in all, I hope you enjoy today's video, because we are definitely oh my goodness, we are definitely going to get some cleaning and picking up done. This product I found at Lowe's, and it's okay. It is supposed to be two sticky things that you put on your fan that are supposed to collect the dust. This one right here flew off instantly. Like, it didn't even last. You're going to see later in the video, I do put one on the master bedroom fan, and that one has actually stayed on there, but I haven't checked to really see if it is collecting all the dust. So I will have an update for you in a future cleaning video about if these things were really worth it. It was only $6 or $7 for the 2-pack, so it wasn't too expensive, but I can't give you my final review on if it is worth it yet or not.
Who's to say if I'm going the right way or where I'm supposed to be? I guess I'll mess it up again. Kinda strange that I'm running in circles when no one is holding my leash. Yeah, I just make the same mistakes, and I don't wanna talk about it. I just wanna be Tina again. What's gonna bring you down when all you do is hang out with your friends? I just wanna feel like Tina again. Why'd it have to change? Who's to blame when you're all out of chance?
All of this stuff came just from this room. I did not realize how dirty it was in here, how much was in the carpets. Let me know down below how often you guys vacuum. I definitely have to be transparent and honest. I don't vacuum as much as I should during the school year because I am so busy. I'm a teacher, and there's always planning and grading and all that kind of stuff to do when I get home. I don't get to walk away from my job and leave it at my job. Unfortunately, I have to bring it home a lot with me, so I don't vacuum as often as I would like, but I think that I need to a little bit more and make that a priority. But I am wondering, down in the comments below, let me know how often you guys actually are vacuuming your floors, and if you notice a big difference if you vacuum way more often than I do.
It's going your way. Let's just see how bad this gets. I'm 30-something now, and everybody seems to have their shit together while I'm just passed out drunk. And I can't even...
We're not doing a super deep clean on this day. This is pretty much like the place has gotten a bit out of hand. I'm a little bit unorganized. There is stuff everywhere because, like I said, life is busy and I haven't really picked it up. So we're just kind of doing some of those things. We definitely need to tackle this AC. Ugh, it is gross. The fan, and I'm going to be cleaning the covers and all of that stuff. So just some of those things that aren't really deep cleaning, getting down to the nitty gritty, but I definitely need to straighten up and get this place feeling a little bit better. So that's what we're going to be tackling here in the master bedroom, is getting the covers off, cleaning the AC, giving everything a good dusting, and then we're going to be moving on to the bathroom because that needs a little bit of TLC as well.
I just wanna be Tina again. What's gonna weigh you down when all you do is hang out with your friends? I just wanna feel like Tina
I can't decide which fan was more disgusting, the one in this room or the one in the beauty room. Take your vote down in the comments down below which fan you think was the grossest. This upstairs gets so dusty. It is crazy, absolutely crazy. And our fans are always a hot mess because it's honestly the last thing I look at because they're usually always on. And I don't notice it until I turn it off and I'm like, oh, wow, yeah, we need to tackle that like for reals. I'm also wondering if you guys follow a cleaning schedule. I have tried a cleaning schedule several times, and during the summer, it works really well for me because I have the time. But during the school year, that cleaning schedule goes right out the window the first few weeks of school. So I'm curious if you guys follow a cleaning schedule, and if you do, how do you find one that is manageable for you, especially when your life gets crazy busy? I would love to know any tips or tricks that you guys have. I share tips and tricks here on this channel, but that does not mean that I cannot learn from you guys. So let me know any of your tips and tricks for keeping, oh my gosh, keeping a clean home, even when your life feels like it's completely out of hand. I was being a little bit extra on this day, and I decided to take off the toilet lids on both bathrooms. I'm only going to show you cleaning one bathroom because they're pretty much the exact same bathroom. Once you clean one, you do the same thing to the other. I don't want to bore you guys to death, but it was pretty gross under there, so I'm glad that I did this. This is not something I regularly do because, like, well, who has the time? But since I was dedicating a few hours to cleaning on this day, I wanted to really get in there and soak those plastic screws and everything and make sure I got everything nice and clean. I find when I do that, I am always like shocked at how gross it is underneath there, since I don't do it very often. So I definitely wanted to tackle that on this day. And like I said, I'm not getting like the baseboards or scrubbing the shower or doing anything really crazy. I just want to get those few spots in the bathroom that have really been bothering me and that I know definitely needed some cleaning. You're also going to see that I am going to kind of hand clean the floor. I struggle with the floors because I have the Tineco and I absolutely love it, but it doesn't really fit very well in our bathrooms because our bathrooms are so small. And sometimes getting out the whole mop bucket and filling it up and doing that whole thing seems like it takes more time than just like spraying some cleaner and taking a cleaning rag and honestly just getting down on my hands and knees and cleaning. So that's what you're going to see in this video is me just like hand cleaning the floor. It seems like it's more annoying, but it actually takes way less time than getting the whole cedar mop out and everything. So let me know if you guys like to do a quick hand clean or if you prefer to get in there really good with a mop.
We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along.
The living room area is not too bad. Now you can see all of those fall and Halloween decorations. Welcome to fall Halloween after Halloween. But I definitely needed to get this banister. It always gets super gross because, well, everybody touches it on their way up and down. And it always gets really grimy. We have kids, so, you know, it is what it is. And obviously things are a little bit discombobulated and disorganized in this room. So really the living room is mostly focused on just picking up and straightening that room up so it's inviting when I come in here. I don't feel like it's a hot mess. And we're going to be tackling that same thing in our great room as well. because we actually had a really big Halloween party. We try to host one of those every single year with our friends and family, and we actually rented out a place with our best friends this year. We all chipped in, rented out a place, and had an absolutely fantastic time. But we had so many decorations that we were making, table decor and everything, that our great room, you're going to see here in a second, was absolutely atrocious. And you're not even going to see the worst part of it. It was way worse before I started packing the things in bags to actually tote to the hall that we rented. So it was way worse before I started this filming process. But we had paint laying out everywhere. We had leftover decorations that didn't make it into the bags. It was looking a little nuts in that great room. You'll see it here in a minute.
Reading like a book. This night means forever, and so is me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along.
I have found the best way for us to clean our TV is to use the window ECloths. I use those on the windows, on all of the mirrors, and I love to use it on the TV because I don't have to put any chemicals on the TV, and it gets it really, really nice and clean. I have been saying for years now, since I've been doing YouTube for a while, if ECloth ever wants to sponsor me, I'm here. Holla at your girl. I would love to do a sponsorship. They're probably not going to sponsor me, but I would absolutely love it. And whenever I can do a cameo of my Bella Marie just looking cute like she is, because she is adorable, I like to do that. We do have another dog as well. Her name is Zoe. And yes, she has a cone on. And the reason is because she eats things, random things. I'm talking pine cones, potpourri, shoes, cords, whatever she can figure out that sounds good to have for a snack, she eats it. So we keep a cone on her sometimes, not all of the time, but especially when we are gone for the day. And then she does have some time without the cone. And I know that might seem crazy to some people, but we're just tired of her eating things, like the most random things. Luckily, it hasn't been anything that's been like a family heirloom or anything yet, but she has eaten several things that we were attached to. And we were like, are you kidding me? Are you serious? So if you have any tips for that, please let us know down below as well. She gets fed, she gets let out. She has had like dog toys before and she tears them into absolutely like just pieces or like everywhere. So if you have any tips for us on how we can get her to stop eating things that she's not supposed to be eating, I will take all the help I can get because you guys always have such great ideas when you comment. So hit me. Let me know if you got any tips for that as well.
Nobody told me to settle.
This great room area doesn't look quite as tragic as I guess I'm thinking in my mind, but we got random packages laying around. And like I said, some of the Halloween decor, the table doesn't even have the centerpiece on it because we were using it as a painting station. So definitely some of this stuff needs to get picked up and put in its rightful place. And I am going to show off in a second the boo basket that I made for my best friend. Me and my best friend and her sister decided this year to do boo baskets for each other. And it was so much fun, guys. If you have a group of girlfriends, I highly suggest a boo basket. We're also doing burr baskets. That's going to be coming up. It's so much fun. Just get together, order some food, just sit around, exchange your baskets, and then we just kind of hang out and play games or craft. It was so much fun to exchange these, and my best friend loved her boo basket. And I get to do a burr basket for her sister in a few weeks. So I am so excited to get together and do that. We already have plans to do like Valentine's baskets and all kinds of craziness just because we love the girl time. We love getting together and being able to give something to somebody that we really care about. And let's be honest, shopping for other people, in my personal opinion, is just So much fun.
Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Now that we have all the bits and the bobs all put away where they belong, I'm going to put my centerpiece back in the center of the table. I am going to get the floors all clean, and we're going to be wrapping up today's cleaning video with something that I like to call putting the house to sleep. Yes, you can see lots of light outside, but I am tired. I had worked all day on this day, and I came home and did a few hours of cleaning. We did not have the kids this day, and my husband was still downstairs working. So I am putting the house to sleep, lighting some candles here in a little bit. And because this was before Halloween, I went ahead and watched some Hocus Pocus. I cannot tell you how many times during the Halloween season I watched that movie. I think I hit 5 times, maybe 4 or 5 times this holiday season. I absolutely love that movie so much that my husband actually made me the book for our wedding day. That was my wedding day gift, and I put it out every single year for Halloween decor in a safe place, of course. But that was my wedding gift for my wedding day because I love Hocus Pocus so much. So this is me lighting some candles, turning off the lights, and just putting the house to sleep so we can get nice and cozy and just relax for the evening.
I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious.
It is the best feeling being able to sit down and relax for the evening, knowing that my home is finally clean and up to order. And I'm so glad I spent time doing this today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful or at least entertaining. Make sure you check out the video and the playlist on the screen. And as always, smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.